Hello, welcome to Power's very first Global Community Summit. We are very excited to see how many Power users and project partners have joined us today for this event. We have a packed agenda for you all over the next 2 days, so without further ado, let's get started. If you have not done so already, please introduce yourself in the chat. Let the Power team and the rest of the attendees know who you are, who you represent, and where you're calling in from. For example, my name is Madison Broadle. I'm a communications lead and a geospatial analyst for the NASA Power Project located in Hampton, Virginia. Continuing with the logistics, we would like to let all of you know that the event will be recorded. That way, any users who are not able to attend the event live or any of you who wish to rewatch portions of the GloCo are able to do so. Also, if you need to adjust any settings, such as your audio, you can use the settings pane in WebEx. If you're having audio issues, WebEx also offers a call-in feature for this meeting. While the event is taking place, all attendees will be muted. As such, please use the chat feature to engage with the keynote speakers and lightning talk presenters that we have today. You can use the question and answer feature, as seen here in the screenshot, to ask the Power team any questions you might have for us, and we will respond as soon as possible. If you're having any logistical issues, please direct message one of the team members you see here, Madison Broadle, which is me, Jason Barnett, or Leah Schweizer. You can also email the Power team email inbox as seen here on the screen, and we can respond to you that way. To kick off our first non-logistics slide, for those of you who might be unfamiliar with the project, we are the Prediction of Worldwide Energy Resources, aka Power Project. We aim to improve the nation's public and private capability for integrating environmental data from NASA Earth observations, particularly focusing on information related to surface solar irradiance. Power can help communities be resilient amid climate variability through the ease of access of solar and meteorological data via a variety of access methods. In doing so, we support renewable energy development, building energy sustainability, and agroclimatology applications. Excitingly, Power is celebrating our 25th anniversary this year. We'll get to hear more about that later today and about where we're going and where we've been from the project's chief scientist. Continuing, the NASA Power Project is an applied sciences program. The program builds meaningful partnerships with the government, industry, and nonprofits to power innovative projects that use data from NASA Earth observing satellites to make life better right here at home. In doing so, the program helps partners use NASA's unique view from space to address real-world issues. The program provides support and funding to help institutions and individuals make better decisions about our environment, food, water, health, and safety by supporting projects like Power. As you see on screen, the Applied Sciences program has these key application areas it focuses on. Power will fall within the new applied science categories of energy and climate, the last two you see here, once they have been officially added to the application area lineup. Now to introduce you to the project's chief scientist, Dr. Paul Stackhouse Jr. Paul is a senior research scientist situated at NASA Langley Research Center in Hampton, Virginia. He also leads the NASA Global Energy and Water Cycle Experiment Surface Radiation Budget, and as a science team member for the Clouds and Earth Radiant Energy Systems, aka CERES project. He also co-leads the Flash Flux Working Group. Both projects produce radiative fluxes using satellite analysis. The latter produces low latency estimates of top of the atmosphere and surface radiation data products from CERES. Both of these data sets are key inputs to the Power Web Suite. As the lead for Power, Dr. Stackhouse works to connect the physical parameters provided by NASA Earth observations to the user community by partnering with leaders in the renewable energy, energy efficiency, and agroclimatology fields. Thus, he leads the formulation of community requested parameters, as well as reviews validation assessments and documentation. Now, to meet the rest of the team. We're a team of research scientists, geospatial and data analysts, developers, software engineers, and communication professionals. You'll get to meet more of the team members later today when they have speaking parts, such as our newly appointed Power Deputy, Research Physical Science Falguni Patitia. So why have we brought you all here today? The underlying goal for all of the presentations, speakers, and activities that we have planned for the next 2 days is engagement. In doing so, we will inform our users of new, enhanced features, gather feedback on services, outline new requests and requirements, and capture more thorough user stories while identifying new user communities and partnership opportunities. Lastly, before I hand over the mic to our first speaker of the event, I'll show you this agenda. If you ever would like to reference this again, it's available on Power's website.